Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel. As you see, for today I recommend you this look. This is a soft, glam, light, bright, wearable, warm tone look. This is my recommendation for you for today for a back to school look. It is very easy, very simple. It is not gonna take you over 8 minutes, 10 minutes, don't think much. It is not to use it, to do it, and you have only to wear one tone, on my opinion of course, color. So, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching! I have prepared my brows as usual with my Express Brow by Maybelline Ultra Slim Pencil in the shade Medium Brown, which is a very thin pencil for brows, and from the other side it's spoolie. Then I have cleaned up my underbrow area with my Fit Me by Maybelline concealer in the shade 20, and my upper brow area with my NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Buff, which is the foundation that I'm gonna use in today's video. And now I'm going with the same concealer to prepare my lid. And now, after I have prepared my lid, I'm going to continue with my palette for my eyes. In today's video, I will use my Davico Cosmetics Infallible Highlighter Palette, and this is it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take my flat brush by Cosmofan number 110, and this is a very flat brush, and taking this on the edge medium beige highlighter, and I will apply it on all the lid. Very, very beautiful, light color, and I will apply on all the lid. Very, very nice look. This video today is gonna be about the makeup you are going to do when you go to your school, back to school. So I'm doing a makeup for you that you are going in school. And this is gonna be and simple and wearable and very quick and without many cosmetics. Only a few of them, because as we said, you are going to school. So I apply just a light beige, gold beige highlighter, and on the other eye I will do the same. I will apply my highlighter, and I recommend you in this occasion, when you are going to school, choose colors and wearable and warm tone colors, light colors, bright colors but light, and apply and this and on all the other lid. And of course, this is it. Over that I will take this fluffy big brush and my MUA Bronze Perfection, this is it. And with this brush I'm taking some of my bronzer, any bronzer you have, and apply a little on my crease. Over the highlighter, apply some on my crease. Of course, I have prepared my face because I start my makeup with all my skincare routine. It is must. Just a few of that applied on the crease. Very, very beautiful. Very, very simple, beautiful, wearable, and not only for you, for going to school, and for one person who wants something very quick in the morning. I'm just applying a little more highlighter. I'm not gonna wear any eyeliner, neither false lashes. Today I will show you how you can have a very nice look with your natural lashes. So I'm taking my lash curler and I'm starting to curl my lashes. I count some numbers and on my other eye. Of course, if you want to wear false lashes, I love them. I wear it everywhere. But I think if you're going to school, they're not necessary. So take your last color, or to tell you a tip, if you want to wear for classes, I can tell you that you can wear some lashes like these. These are lashes which are thick and short. I will not wear them today because I always wear lashes. As I have used my last curler, I'm taking my 17 Glam Perfect X Definition Volume Mascara. You can use either a black mascara, as I'm gonna use now, one of the blackest black mascaras, or a brown. I will use black, and I'm gonna apply my mascara. I have told you in other videos that on your upper lashes you can apply 3, 4, 5 coats. On your bottom lashes apply only one, because we want an open eye. So with my little mirror, as you see, I'm doing this. I'm applying my blackest black mascara. The blackest black mascara is written on the product here that it is blackest black or very black. The same happens to the eyeliners. If I want a black, I really want a very black for my looks. And on the other eye, this 17 is one of my favorite mascaras. Of course, in mascara you want. Avoid the mascaras that they are colorful. Not. In your school, wear a black or a brown. And the brown is very nice. Or if you want, it is allowed to you a very dark green. Dark green, no light. Not other colors. But as I have told you, I think the black is the most safe color for you. So I apply my mascara on my upper lash. As you see, I have applied many coats. It is allowed. Then I'm going to continue with the rest of my face, not a few coffee, because I always want to drink coffee. And as you see, I have to show you my nails. My nails are in a nude color. Choose a light brown, like this is, a light pink, or a light off-white color. Not other colors, red, blue, dark, brown, very dark colors, no. Choose a nude color or an off-white. It is more kind, more suitable if you're going to school. My eyes are ready, so I'm going to prepare my lids with my Fit Me Maybelline Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. I'm gonna wear my primer because I will use the foundation. I will use, this is an hydrating primer. We have told that if you have a combo to dry skin as mine, choose a moisturizing primer. If you have a very oily skin, of course, if you are in a very young age, the most of you must have oily skin. Choose a mattifying primer. Anything is suitable, you will see, and wearable for you. Applying all the product. I will wear for today my NYX Born to Glow in the shade Buff. This is a foundation which is light to medium coverage, although you can use a tinted product. And NYX Born to Glow, I have to say that it is light, medium coverage, and you have any beautiful makeup, and light and bright. I'm applying some on the back of my hand and taking my Real Techniques buffing brush, this is it, and taking the product and starting to apply. As you see, I'm doing a full finished complete makeup look with all the products, but in a light way. I'm applying the product on all the face. As you see, the foundation I've applied is very nice and it is medium coverage. You don't need a full coverage in your school, of course. Or if you have a tinted product. And I'm continuing with my Fit Me Maybelline, which is my usual Maybelline in 320 concealer. I will use some of that on my under eye area, just a few. We don't apply much product, just a few. We want to be beautiful, but with less makeup, foundation and every color. And of course taking my beauty blender, as we have told many times, to apply the product. Of course, going to continue to set up the whole face. I will apply my loose powder. I will set up my under eyes with my loose powder. Not set up, and my beauty blender, as you see, I'm setting up my under eye area. Of course, setting up and all the face. If you want to use a compact powder, it is on your opinion. I choose for today my loose powder for all the face. If you want to use two powders, the loose powders are for the whole face and for the bottom eyes. If you want a compact powder, you can use it only on all the face, not on your bottom eye area. And let's take your loose powder and set up the whole face. And it is the way, I have to say. And if you have a very oily skin, use and the two of the powders. It is more nice for you to have a very matte, flawless effect. And now continue with my bronzer. I will not do contouring. Contouring is a little hard for you. By MUA, my bronzer. Apply on the cheeks. On the forehead, of course, and on your under thin area. I will not do contouring, it is hard, and I will not contour either my nose. It is more for you, matte, very matte. That you a very nice bronzer. And taking my blush, which is this by Canon, a peach blush. Very good, very nice color, very kind. A bit blush. And a little on my nose. And some, if you want, some highlighter. I will use my Maybelline Master Chrome. Just a few, not much, just a few on your cheeks. And a few, a line, soft line on your nose and on the lips. Just a few. It's not very necessary to apply the highlighter. Of course, what else? I'm going to do my waterline area with my black liner, waterproof liner. Applying a few of my bronzer under my eye. Just your bronzer, not highlighter. We want something very easy, very quick and very simple for you. And applying my mascara. As we have told, we can reapply on our upper lashes. Just one coat, not much. Don't apply much mascara. And of course, this is, I'm going to my lips. I'm gonna use a nude color by Ulta's Cosmetic Pencil, and this is it, a very nice nude color to line my lips. And of course, I took a very nice nude color in lipstick, which is this very nice medium brown color, as you see, medium brown. Or you can use a light pink, nude, always nude colors. Well, the last step is to use my makeup fixing spray to make my makeup last during many hours, because in school we are going 5-6 hours in the day, so you want something to last and taking the extent. Just correct a little my brows. Well, this is, my friend, the complete finished look for you who are going to school. Very easy, as you see, very simple, very quick. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, my friends!